Hello and welcome to a RackForms feature demonstration video. We got two awesome ones this time. The first is Stripe. So if you're not familiar, Stripe is a way that we can accept credit card payments directly on our website without a redirect. And in RackForms, it looks something like this. So I've built a sample storefront here, and I'll go ahead and select some items. And I'll also select a subscription. And in terms of RackForms, this is where the magic happens. So when I click proceed to checkout, one of the brand new features is we now created an itemized list for us. A bunch of work happens in the background as well. So in this case, we have a subscription. So it's asking for an email address. So RackForms will automatically build this part of the form for us. And finally, then we have the payment form. So to show how that works, I'll go ahead and fill out some sample information here. Should be noted, this is one of the strengths of the Stripe platform is they make it really easy to test your payment system out before you actually push it live. In this particular case, though, this is some valid test information, so we go to a success page, which we have full control over. Of course, there's more to Stripe. I encourage you to check them out at stripe.com. There's really robust management tools. We can issue refunds, manage customers, etc. An awesome addition to RackForms. So the other big feature is Google Docs integration. So the way this works is just like any other confirmation module, which means that, for example, if you had an email to send, you just put an email module on the page. In this case, we had some Google Docs to save, so we'll put a Google Docs module on our page. And it works something like this then. So I have a form. When I hit submit then, this is actually going to get submitted to the Google Drive service, and it actually shows up in real time here. And if you've never actually seen this before, it's really neat how this works. I can actually change information on here, and when I submit this a second time, it's actually going to populate my spreadsheet here in real time, right? I don't even have to do anything, and the new entries show up right there. Of course, we're not limited to just using spreadsheets. We can also save to standard documents, and we also have two different ways of saving. So we can append to an existing document, or we can always create a new document for every entry that we have. So that is a quick look then at some of the new features in version 3.5 of RackForms. If you have any questions, please feel to contact us at the phone number at the top of RackForms.com or directly at info@RackForms.com. And thanks for your time.